ठीक है, तो छू लेते हैं पैर, ठीक है, तो छोले पे चले।
ये खुद आप अपने पैर छू रहे हो, ये क्यों?
वो क्या है ना सर, हम नई जनरेशन है ना, तो क्या है कि पहली बार आपके साथ स्टेज पे यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो ऐसी जो फीलिंग है ना, तो बहुत ही कमाल किया था। ऐसा लगा कि यार खुद ही के पैर छू के खुद ही को आशीर्वाद दे देते हैं ना।
कभी कभार वो छोटे छोटे शहरों से भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो जाती हैं सर, है ना?
देखिए, वे वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आप दोनों होस्ट कर रहे हो और मेरी सारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, दोनों के साथ हैं। एक होस्ट की तरफ से, यहाँ तो मैं निर्देशक निर्माता दोनों हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ इस मंच पे होस्ट हूँ, तो होस्ट होने के नाते मैं आप दोनों को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स, दुआएं देना चाहता हूँ। आई होप यू आर गोना रियली रॉक इट at IFA Rocks, and you all are both going to kill it, and it's going to be fantastic. But we have a very important announcement to make right now, and if you give me the permission, I'd like to do that.
अरे सर, प्लीज सर,
And I do the honors for legend, and not just an artist that has swept the world with emotion, action, drama, but he's also that man with a golden heart, and he matches the statue to every inch. Please welcome the bona fide king and the crown that should never leave his.
Thank you very much, Karan, and thank you, IFA, for having me here this evening, and thank you to all the friends and colleagues who are present here, all the partners, Shobha, Nexa, Mysore, Easy Trip, Swiggies, and ZTV, of course, and lovely to see you here. Abhishek, so wonderful to see you live after seeing your wonderful film. I've been wanting to call you, and Siddhant, तुम दोनों को सिखा दूं, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है। I want to thank Sabbas and Viraf and Andre, my very, I don't know if I should say old friends, but young old friends, and I'm so privileged to be hosting this show with Vicky and Karan and all the other amazing talent, some of them not present here this evening, and of course to see the great performances that will follow. This Shahid, Vicky is going to perform, Janvi, Kriti, and of course the most wonderful and the star of them all, Rekha ji will also be there. So for me it's a great evening, it's a great honor, great privilege. Thank you for having me on IFA. Thank you so much.
It's like a ghar wapsi of sorts. You're back on the IFA stage after nearly a decade, and they couldn't be happier and more excited about welcome you back into the IFA family, because every time you've been there, you created a storm, literally, like you always have with your cinema. How does it feel to be back on the IFA stage?
इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, बुलाया तो एक ही बार था पहले। शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसको 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं। तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ पे। Really nice to be here. Thank you IFA for having me. No, I'm not. I'm joking. अब clarify करना पड़ता ना कि joke कर रहे हैं, seriously नहीं बोल रहे हैं। I would have loved to always come, but unfortunately, for some reason or the other, I was working at the point of time when IFA is being hosted all around the world, which makes us very proud. And more often than not, I've always had to beg myself off, saying, "Listen, मेरी shooting है, आप कहाँ पे टोरंटो में हो, वैंकूवर में हो, मलेशिया में हो, यहाँ कर लो ना, यहाँ बोरीवली में कर लो, फिल्म सिटी में कर लो, जैसे बाकी लोग करते हैं यार." But the vision is big. IFA has always thought of taking Indian cinema, and now with the inclusion of Malayalam and Kannada and Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema, I think, mashallah, this is even more Indian than it has ever been before. So, keeping up with your vision, I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well, keep people entertained, and keep it very short.
Yes.
And crisp.
And know when to
and
leave.
fast, yeah. And please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please can you take care of that?
Okay. So Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी करता हूँ, मैं तो इतना होस्टिंग करता हूँ ना। अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना, सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये बोलता है पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तू कितना होस्ट करेगा।
वही सोच रहा था जब सिद्धांत बोल रहा था, तो आई वाज लाइक दिस इज साउंडिंग रॉन्ग ऑन ऑल लेवल्स फॉर अ फिल्म मेकर कि आई शुड बी मेकिंग मोर मूवीज, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई शुड बी डूइंग, बट
इसलिए तो rehearsal Zoom पे
आप
करते हैं, बाकी
संभाल
picture
लो,
shoot
आप संभाल लो, मैं स्पॉन्सर्स के नेम ले लूंगा।
थैंक यू।
प्लीज आई डू दैट।
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है बिफोर द फिल्म। Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much.
Yeah, I think we'll have to maybe look at that. All right. Listen, boys, you're on for a ride, and we're really excited that both of you are hosting IFA Rocks, and along with, of course, Vicky, all of us. Like, we're a community of hosts this time, but we also have an incredible host in the house with us, who is actually going to be hosting IFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me,
South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're trying to
wraps.
keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually in IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point in time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IFA, thank you for putting all this together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam? Yes. Thank you. So I think that will be
It's a deliverable.
it's a deliverable.
We are coming. Clap louder, you all asked us to do it.
Thank you, the 3 IFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it is.
First
Actually, it's
time.
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IFA Utsavam, you have IFA Hindi, and then you have IFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shahrukh, thank you, Rana, and we'll all leave now.
Thank you.
We'll call Siddharth Kannan back because he may ask us to leave anyways.
All right, so both of you leave, Karan and Rana. Shahrukh, I request you remain on stage, please. Give it up for Shah Rukh Khan. I can already hear Abu Dhabi saying, "We love you, Shahrukh." They're screaming and shouting. So happy to see you. Louder for King Khan, please, ladies and gentlemen. I like this. This is an IFA like none other.
प्रोजेक्ट होगा इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का जश्न आज
Ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you to Ashish as well. Now, as we prepare to embark on yet another magical journey to Abu Dhabi, we have entrusted a person, a partner, who ensures that everything runs so smoothly for us. A big thank you to Ease My Trip for the incredible support as the travel partner for IFA 2024. And now, it's my pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Nishan Pitti, CEO and co-founder of Ease My Trip.
7, we have the Nexa IFA Utsavam Awards. On that one day, we will present awards to 4 industries: Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. The next day is the Nexa IFA Awards, where we will present awards and celebrate Hindi cinema. The following day is Soba IFA Rocks, part of the Soba IFA weekend, and would be celebrating. And the Yes Island Development Authorities and the Department of Culture and Tourism for having supported and provided the IFA movement all the boost, all the energy, and all the love that they can shower and gift us with. Thank you, Nawaf. Thank you, Miriam, for being here with us today. I'd like you to give the DCT and the Abu Dhabi authorities a big round of applause.
IFA rocks, ladies and gentlemen. Shobha Realty continues to stand by us in making this celebration.